In your presence, there's always fullness of gladness and gaiety. Whenever I am with you, I am always at my peak, as you always bring out the best in me. I am always at peace when you are right my side. I do not know what I did to deserve an awesome, beautiful, and caring girlfriend like you, my love, but I want you to know that I am honored to be with you just as much as I am blessed to have you. Thanks for loving me unconditionally, and thanks for not leaving me to my friends. I love you tenderly, my one and only. You are more than what I dreamed of, and you have given me so much happiness, peace, and love. No word will be enough to express how much I love you. I love you so much is all I come up with because my love for you is verbally indescribable. Thanks for being the best thing that has ever happened to me, and thanks for everything you can imagine. I love you beyond words, my cupcake. No matter how hard I try, you will always and forever be on my mind just as much as you will always be in my heart where you belong. Even if I try, I won't be able to stop reminiscing about you just as much as I will never stop cherishing and loving you. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me, and I am glad to call you mine forever. And no matter how far away you are from me, you will always be here with me in my heart because there's no perfect place to keep someone as beautiful and special as you are, except in my heart. I love you beyond words themselves. Your love is my steadfast anchor in the turbulent waters of life. It keeps me grounded and gives me the strength of face any storm. I am eternally grateful for your love and support. I'd like to thank you for being the most fantastic spouse and for loving me unconditionally. You are my rock, my confidant, and my greatest love, and I am grateful to have you in my life. Your love has altered my world, and your sweet gaze warms my heart. Your touch makes me quicker, and just being near you fills my heart with joy. Love you when we are together. The world causes to exit, and the only thing I can see is the two of us sitting side by side, sharing emotions that can't be put into words. I must be the luckiest man in the world to have such a special person for their love. When I am next to you, I am always pinching myself to comfort that what I am seeing is real. You are everything that I ever needed in this life, and I cannot imagine life without you. I love you, darling. You are my strength. You are not only the sails that steer my ship, but you are also the waves below that cry me. Without you, I would cause to have a backbone, as you are the entire foundation holding me up. I could never think of a day where you are not with me. I imagine if that day came, I would become weak. I would crumble into a crowd, but together we are strong. We are unstoppable. That is why I love you